This video is sponsored by Amway.
We're the Day family, and this is our small farm in rural San Diego.
We have 4 chickens, 2 goats, 2 sheep, 2 dogs, and 1 cat.
It like filled up a whole bucket.
Keeping things going takes a lot of work. And a lot of dirt.
Even with all of that though, we still want a clean home with healthy air.
Indoor air is often 2 to 5 times more polluted than outdoor air.
Tickle me.
For parents, it can be extra stressful to think about our kids crawling around on allergens and contaminants. So we take a few different steps to make a difference in our home. We use essential oils to keep smells at bay and boost our immune system. And we have enclosed trash cans. We also use a high-quality air purifier. The Atmosphere Sky syncs to my phone so I can quickly take our air quality from poor to pleasant. Last but not least, we have ceiling fans always moving in every room to keep air circulating. And we use dusters with washable sleeves to keep dirt at bay. And that's how we keep a happy, healthy home on our little farm that's full of work and play.